Hello, and welcome to the General Knowledge and CQ Series presented by L3S, Lotus Student Support Services. We'll be covering key geography questions designed specifically to help you prepare for competitive exams like the Railway Recruitment exams, Banking PO and Clerical, SSC, NDA, CDS, UPSC, and various state civil services exams, among others. This series is created to make geography easy and approachable, focusing on multiple choice questions that test your understanding of world and Indian geography. If you're preparing for exams, you're in the right place. Let's dive into our first question.
Question 1. Let's begin with the fundamental questions about our solar system. The planet nearest to Sun is, here are your options: A. Neptune, B. Mercury, C. Venus, D. Pluto. The right answer is B. Mercury.
Solar system like a big family. The Sun is the parent, and the 8 planets are like siblings. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, and it's also the closest one to the Sun. It completes one revolution around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Earth is our home planet, and it's the only one we know of that has life on it. Mars is known as the red planet because it has a reddish color. It has a lot of iron oxide or rust on its surface for which it is reddish. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, and it's so big that all of the other planets could fit inside it. Saturn's rings are made up of millions of ice particles, ranging in size from tiny grains to boulders the size of a house. Neptune is the furthest planet from the Sun. We can expect more questions related to the solar system. Some examples include 1. Which is the smallest planet in the solar system? The answer is Mercury. 2. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? The answer is Venus. 3. Which planet is reddish in color? That would be Mars. 4. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? The answer is Jupiter. 5. Which is the farthest planet from the Sun? The answer is Neptune. Now, let's move on to the next slide.
Question 2. Which is the smallest country of the world by both area and population? Options: A. Bhutan, B. Malta, C. Vatican City, D. Monaco. The right answer is C. Vatican City. Vatican City is not only the smallest country by area, covering just 0.44 square kilometers, but it is also the least populated with around 800 residents. Located entirely within the city of Rome, Vatican City is the spiritual and administrative center of Roman Catholic Church and home to the Pope. Despite its small size, its influence stretches far beyond its borders. The state's capital and largest city is Vatican City. Its official language is Italian. Its official currency is Euro, and it has only one bordering country, and that is Italy. Question 3. At what average speed the Earth revolves around the Sun? Option A. 24 km per second, option B 30 km per second, option C 40 km per second, option D 50 km per second. This question asks about speed at which our planet moves at its orbit the Sun. Something we may not feel in our daily lives, but it is fundamental to how the Earth and other planets interact with the solar system. The correct answer is B, 30 km per second. Question 4. The largest producer of silver in the world is? Options are A. Chile, B. China, C. Mexico, D. Peru. This question is focused on the mineral resource of the world and which country dominates the silver market. Silver has played a crucial role in global economics and continues to be an important metal. So right answer is Mexico. In the year 2020, Mexico produced over 6,400 metric tons of silver, maintaining its top position. The country's mining sector plays a vital role in its economy, with silver mines scattered across several states, including Zacatecas and Durango. We can see here top silver producing countries: 1 Mexico, 2 China, 3 Peru, 4 Chile, 5 Poland, 6 Australia. Question 5. The biggest longest river of Asia is? Option A, Indus River. Option B, Brahmaputra River. Option C, Yangtze River. Option D, Huanghe River. Rivers are not only vital for human settlement and agriculture, but also plays a huge role in shaping the economy and geography of the entire continents. Asia is home to some of the world's most significant rivers. Here the correct answer is C, Yangtze River. It is located in China. Here you can see list of longest river in Asia, in the world, and in India. So we can expect some more questions here, like which is the longest river of the world, and answer shall be Nile River of Egypt. Then which is the longest river in India, and it's Ganga River. You can see here some of the longest river of the world are Nile River of Egypt, then Amazon River, then Yangtze River, China, the Mississippi Missouri River, and longest rivers in India are Ganga, Godavari, Yamuna, Narmada, Krishna, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Kaveri, Tapti, and Indus. Next question. Which of the following Indian river is known as Padma River in Bangladesh? Option A, Brahmaputra. Option B, Hooghly. Option C, Ganga. Option D, Godavari. The correct answer is C, Ganga River. When the Ganga River enters Bangladesh, it is known as Padma River. The Padma plays a critical role in the agriculture and daily life of the people living along its banks in Bangladesh. Padma is a major river in Bangladesh. It is the main distributary of the Ganga, following generally southeast for 120 km to its confluence with the Meghna River near the Bay of Bengal. The city of Rajshahi is situated on the bank of the river. The Padma River enters Bangladesh from India near Chapai and meets Jamuna, that is a lower part of Brahmaputra, near Ericha, and retains its name, but finally meets with Meghna near Sandipur and adopt the name Meghna before flowing into the Bay of Bengal? Next question, question 7. Indian Standard Time relates to options A 75.5 degree east, option B 82.5 degree east, option C 90.5 degree east, and option D 0 degree longitude. This question touches on the important aspect of timekeeping and geography. Indian Standard Time is based on significant longitude that run through India and used entire country for consistent timekeeping. The correct answer is option B 82.5 degree east. Indian Standard Time is based on 82.5 degree east longitude, which passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. Question number 8. What is the highest peak in India? Options are A. Nanda Devi, B. Kanchenjunga, C. Mount Everest, and option D. Mount Ketu. India is known for its magnificent mountain ranges, including the famous Himalayas, but can you identify the tallest peak that lies within India's border? The correct answer is B. Kanchenjunga. We can see here the list of highest peaks of the world and India. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world and it lies on the border between Nepal and China. Kanchenjunga, standing at 8,586 meters, is the highest peak entirely within India and it is third highest globally. Next question, question 9. What is the total area of India? Option A 35,11,968 square kilometer, option B 28,97,952 square kilometer, option C 42 lakhs 36,720 square kilometer, option D 32 lakhs 87,590 square kilometer. And right answer is, this question is all about India's geographic area. India is the 7th largest country in the world by area, covering a significant portion of South Asian subcontinent. And right answer is D 32,87,590 square kilometer. Question number 10. Which one of the following countries has the longest international boundary with India? Your options are A. China, B. Pakistan, C. Nepal, and D. Bangladesh. India shares its border with several countries and each of these boundaries has its own political and geographical significance. And the correct answer is option D. Bangladesh. India shares its border with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh as shown in the map here. India shares a 4,156 kilometer boundary with Bangladesh, making it the longest international border India has with any country. This boundary stretches across multiple Indian states, including West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, and Tripura. The India-Bangladesh border is also significant for trade, culture, and historical ties between the two nations. Question 11. Which is the smallest state in India by area? Options are A. Assam, B. Sikkim, C. Goa, D. Andaman and Nicobar Island. India states is very widely in terms of area, varies widely on basis of area and population, with each contributing uniquely to the nation's culture and economic landscape. Here the correct answer is option C, Goa. Goa is located on India's western coast, covers an area of about 3,702 square kilometers, making it the smallest state in the country. Despite its small size, Goa is famous for its vibrant tourism industry, beautiful beaches, and rich cultural heritage influenced by centuries of Portuguese rule. Here we can see the size of different states and union territories of India. The important points here are the smallest state of India is Goa. Largest state is Rajasthan. Smallest union territory Lakshadweep. Largest union territory Ladakh. Total number of states 28 and total union territories 8. Question 12. Which of the following is the lowermost layer of atmosphere? The options are troposphere, B. Exosphere, C. Thermosphere, D. Mesosphere. The atmosphere is composed of several layers, each with distinct characteristics and functions that protect and sustain life on Earth. This question asks you identify the lowest layer of atmosphere. Think about the layer where most of our weather activities occurs. And the correct answer is A. Troposphere. The troposphere is the lowest part of Earth's atmosphere, extending from the Earth's surface up to about 8 to 15 km. This layer contains most of the atmospheric water vapor and is where weather phenomena like clouds, rains, and storms occur. As we go higher, the temperature in this layer generally decreases. Here you can see a diagram showing different layers of atmospheres. The atmosphere can be divided into different layers based on its temperature. These layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and the thermosphere. A further region beginning about 800 km above Earth's surface is called exosphere. Troposphere is the lowest part of atmosphere. Is the part that we live in. It contains most of our weather, clouds, rain, snow. In this part of the atmosphere, the temperature gets colder as the distance above Earth increases. The stratosphere contains much of the ozone in the atmosphere. The increase in temperature with height occurs because of the absorption of ultraviolet radiation from the sun by this ozone. This layer protects us from the ultraviolet radiation. In the mesosphere, the temperature again decreases with height, reaching a minimum of about minus 90 degrees centigrade. The thermosphere is a region in which temperature again increases with height. The temperature increase is caused by the absorption of energetic ultraviolet and X-ray radiation from sun. Question 13. What is the largest gulf in the world? Option A, Gulf of Aden. Option B, Gulf of Mexico. Option C, Gulf of California. Option D, Gulf of Ecuador. Gulfs are large bodies of water that extend into the land, often forming critical sites for trade and biodiversity. This question asks which Gulf holds the title of the largest by area. Think about which of these options you believe cover the most extensive area. The correct answer is B, Gulf of Mexico. Covering an area of around 1.6 million square kilometers, the Gulf of Mexico is bordered by the United States, Mexico, and Cuba. It is known for its significant marine biodiversity and its major center for the fishing, tourism, and oil industries. Here is a list of top 5 largest gulfs showcasing their unique features and importance in global geography. The Gulf of Mexico, then Gulf of Guinea, Gulf of Alaska, Hudson Bay, the Persian Gulf. Question 14. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? Options are A. Brazil, B. India, C. Peru, D. Sri Lanka. Coffee production is essential for many countries, providing jobs and contributing to local economics. The question asks which country produces the most coffee globally. Can you guess which nation leads the world in coffee production? And the correct answer is A. Brazil. Brazil has been world's largest producer of coffee for over 150 years. Known for its unique flavor, Brazilian coffee is grown on large plantations across the states of Minas Gerais, São Paulo, and Paraná, producing nearly one-third of the global coffee supply. Brazil has been producing about 39% of global coffee, and Vietnam is producing about 17% of global coffee. The other countries producing significant coffees are Colombia, Ethiopia, Indonesia, Uganda, India, etc. In India, the highest coffee producing state is Karnataka. It is producing about 71% of Indian coffee production. Then Kerala, which is producing about 19% of India's production. So we must remember Karnataka, then Kerala. Question 15. Which of the following places receives the highest rainfall in the world? A. Silchar, B. Cherrapunji, D. Mawsynram, C. Mawsynram, D. Guwahati. And the correct answer is C. Mawsynram. Located in the state of Meghalaya in India, Mawsynram holds the record of the highest average annual rainfall, receiving around 11,871 mm per year. The heavy rainfall is due to the region's unique geography, which trap moisture-laden clouds and causes intense precipitation. The most rainfall places in the world are 1. Mawsynram, then Cherrapunji. It is nearby Mawsynram only. Then Tutunendo, it is in Colombia. Then Saint Antonio de Eureka, it is in Equatorial Guinea. Then Dibansa, Cameroon. Question 16. The Tropic of Cancer passes through which Indian states? The options are A. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, B. Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal, C. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, D. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. The Tropic of Cancer is one of the 5 major circles of latitude and runs through several states in India. The question tests your knowledge of geography by asking you to identify the states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. And the correct answer is A. Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India. It passes through Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram, as you can see in the figure above. Tropic of Capricorn does not pass through India because it is 23.5 degrees south to the equator. It passes through South America, Africa and Australia only. Question number 17. Where is Loktok Lake situated? Your options are A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. Manipur, C. Orissa, D. Rajasthan. Lakes plays a crucial role in the local ecology and culture, providing resources for people and habitats for wildlife. This question asks about Loktok Lake, a significant water body in India, and correct answer is actually B. Manipur. Correct answer is B. Manipur. Loktok Lake is located in the northeastern state of Manipur. It is the largest freshwater lake in northeastern India, known for its floating fumed masses of vegetation, soil and organic matters. Loktok Lake is a unique ecosystem and is essential source of water and livelihood for the local population. Here you can see a list of largest lakes in India, and the largest lake in India is Vembanad Lake of Kerala. The other largest lakes are Chilika Lake of Orissa, Shivaji Sagar Lake of Maharashtra, Indira Sagar Lake of Madhya Pradesh and so on. Question 18. Which of the following geographical terms relate to a body of land surrounded by water on 3 sides? Options are A. Peninsula, B. Gulf, C. Strait, D. Island. And the correct answer is A. Peninsula. Here is a diagram showing different land and water forms. First one is lake. Here water body is surrounded all side by land. Then island. It's a body of land bounded on all sides by water. Then gulf. Gulf is a body of water bounded on all sides by but one by land. Then comes peninsula. It's a body of land bounded on all sides by but one by water. Please try to answer the following questions in the comments section. Question 1. Which is the smallest planet in the solar system? Question 2. In which layer of the atmosphere there is a presence of an ozone layer? Question 3. Which is the largest lake in India? Question 4. Which state in India produces the most coffee? Question 5. Which is the largest state of India? Question 6. Which is the longest river of India? Question 7. Which is the largest gulf in the world? This concludes our Geography MCQ Series 1. Keep practicing and remember that consistency is a key to success in competitive exams. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next series. Thank you.